Hi friends, this is random talking because sometimes you want to talk about English learning because our channel is about English learning and we also learning the language and we are improving ourselves and we are giving some kind of lectures. We are sharing some kind of our old experience with those people who are the newcomers and those who want to learn the English language. They are willing to improve their language and they are facing the problems. How can they overcome such kind of problems and make themselves good English language speaker? I think if you are willing to learn any kind of language, this is good. You should learn the language. If you are willing to go in such a country where the first language is different from your own language, then you should learn for specific purposes. But if you are interested to learn any other language, I think the English is the best option for you. As you know that this is the global language and in the whole world you can find people those know the English language and you can communicate with them in very easy way. Otherwise, if you are willing to learn some kind of specific language that is not familiar in the world, but in some countries that language will support you probably, but in some specific countries, if you want to explore the world, then you should learn the English language, because you know that this is the language of social media also, main language of social media. Although there are so many other languages, but the main language of social media is the English language. Through this language you can browse lot of things of your choice. You can watch videos of your choice through this language, because mostly stuff is uploaded on social media that is in English language. And you know that this language is considered the global language. You have seen the heads of the governments whenever they travel to other countries, they give the lectures or they make their speeches. They do their speeches in English language. Why? Why they do their speeches in English language? Because where they go, the language of that country is different from the language of their countries. So both the country leaders understand that English is the global language, and through this language we can understand each other's problems. We can share our cultural activities through this language. So in most of the countries of the world, this language is given much priority to learn, to understand. There are some countries those don't give too much importance to this language, but because in lot of countries this language is understood, so I think that right now we don't have too much time to learn so many languages, because learning language requires a lot of time. You will have to give your time to learn the language. If you don't have the time to learn many other languages, just learn one international language so that you can share your ideas, your views with the world. If you know your native language only, then you cannot share your views with other nationalities. You will have to do the translation, but for doing the translation you should also know this language, because when you do some kind of translation or other activities, if you are not educated, if you are illiterate, if you are not able to understand the things, then you will not be able to do that things in proper way. If you understand this language, you can communicate with the whole world through social media. Right now, the social media has given you the great opportunity to expand your talent in the world. If you are talented and you want to spread your talent throughout the world, the social media has given you the opportunities. Right now, only your talent is required. If you have the talent, no one can stop you from growing. If you don't have the talent, platform is available, but you can do nothing because you don't have the talent. But if you have the talent, platform is in your hand in the shape of cell phone. You can show your talent to the world. You can make your videos. You can discuss with the world. You can upload those videos, those views. You can write those views, and the world would come to know about you. The specific kind of people of your mentality, not the whole world. But this is the great opportunity for you. If you are a talented kind of person, if you have any kind of talent, then share your talent with the world and know the English language, learn the English language. When you know the English language, it will help you in better way to expand your talent. Otherwise, you will face problems and your talent will remain limited to your country only. Hope you find this video useful. This is English learning channel, and we are sharing some of our experience with you, and you also share your experiences below in comment box. And don't feel shy while speaking. Sometimes we make mistakes. If you are a non-native, don't feel shy while making the mistakes. Mistakes are the part of learning anything. When you will not do mistake, then you will not correct yourself. So there are advanced level speakers than us. Those can pick the mistakes which we make while our lectures are, and they can teach us, they can correct us. In this way, when the non-native people try to support each other, then it will be very easy for them to learn the language and to understand each other's views. Hope you find this video useful. If you find useful, please hit the like button, subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. I am Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.